Your website was ranking well, getting traffic, maybe even sales, but suddenly your Google rankings have dropped and you don't know why? This isn't random. Google's algorithm has changed, and if you're not keeping up, your site will keep falling behind. Rankings often drop due to a combination of overlooked issues, outdated or thin content that no longer aligns with user intent, slower site loading times that frustrate visitors, or backlinks from unreliable sources that harm your domain's credibility. In many cases, websites also suffer from weak mobile responsiveness, poor on-page SEO practices, or a high bounce rate caused by confusing design and irrelevant content. These signs tell Google your site is not providing the best possible experience, and Google responds accordingly. Fortunately, this is not irreversible. By consistently updating your content with relevant, high-quality information, improving technical performance, optimizing for mobile devices, and focusing on clean, ethical SEO strategies, you can restore and even improve your rankings over time. Don't wait until your visibility disappears entirely. Now is the time to evaluate, adjust, and rebuild your search presence with purpose.